This is how you can use Binance P2P to sell your cryptocurrency or to withdraw your cryptocurrency to your mobile money. It's very simple. It works worldwide. Wherever you are, it works fine. So here I am on Binance dashboard, the home interface. I'm going to go straight to this hamburger menu over here. And from here, I'm going to tap on more services over here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into the search bar and type P2P. I want it to be fast for me. So once the page loads like this, all right. So initially you're going to see it on a buy button, but right now we are looking for a way to sell our assets on P2P, our cryptocurrency on P2P. So we are going to tap on sell. All right. So when we tap on the sell, you're going to see different adverts displayed over here. What you need to do, what you need to pay attention to is look out for the traders available over here. Select the one that best fits your criteria. Example, you can see this particular person. He has a total trades of 335. All right, that's 335 trades that he had in the last 30 days, and the rate over here is 12.19 Ghana cedis per US dollar. And the amount that he is selling from is 10,000 Ghana cedis to 250,000 Ghana cedis. So if the amount that you are coming to sell is not within that particular range, then you just have to go and look for the next available person. And of course, you check out the payment method available over here too. You can see he is using mobile money. That's what he is accepting. So those are the things that you need to look out for. And of course, try to look out for a person who is verified. All right. There are some P2P vendors that are not verified. The fact that they're not verified doesn't entirely mean they are not trustworthy. But yeah, just to be on the safer side, try to work with somebody who is verified on the platform. So I'm going to go through this advert displayed over here and see the one that best suits me. For this tutorial sake, I'm just going to sell $70. So I'm going to look out for a range that will favor me. So let's say 500 Ghana cedis and above. Okay. So let's keep scrolling through. Okay, if you see this person over here, this person is dealing with telesale cash over here. So you can see there are different payment methods available. All right. For myself, I'm going to go with this particular person because the duration for him is 15 minutes. The other person that I saw was 30 minutes. All right. So I'm going to go with this. He's also having more as a payment option over there. All right. So I'm going to tap on sell over here. Once I tap on sell, the area is going to load. The interface will load like this. Now, you can see this is the amount that I'm having over here. And this is the limit that I can sell from $41.59 to $1,000 so dollars. That's the limit. And my balance is $70.05. So I'm going to go, and my payment method over here is Momo. That's why I'm going to receive their money into, and he is currently online. So I'm just going to tap on all, and this is the amount I'm going to receive, right? So let me just go ahead and place the order right now. Okay, I acknowledge. So I need to just do some facial, verification quick for security reasons.
Click your eyes. Good. Shake your head. Good. Nod your head. Good.
So this is just a facial verification step I'm going through right now. Once it's verified, that ad is going to be placed, and yes, I'll have to wait for the counterpart to do whatever he's going to do to release their money. All right. So yes, I'm going to go to the chat session right now because there are some things over there that most vendors, will leave you a message to follow an instruction. So this is the countdown for the payment. I should expect payments in this. So let me just check out whatever it's there. Okay. All right. So I just checked my Momo wallet. He just made a payment. So I am going to release the payment. All right. State whether your SIM type is agent or subscriber. So please release crypto after receiving payment. Do not stress me to send multiple reminders. That's fine. So I'm going to tap on receive payment received over here because of course I've received it in my wallet. I just checked it out. So I'm going to tap on I've received this over here. So I'm going to tap on it and I'm going to confirm release. So also for security reasons, I have to verify this. So that is it. And that is it. I have successfully sold my $70 USD on Binance P2P, and this is a very simple way that you can also do it. You don't have to stress yourself out. And I hope you've learned something from this video. If you do, kindly hit the subscribe button on the video, and I'll see you in the next one.